TurboTax software review usage experience. TurboTax is a popular tax preparation software that helps individuals and businesses file their taxes accurately and maximize refund. It offers a guided step-by-step approach to make the tax filing process easier, even for beginners. And here are the key features about this platform. So talking about the user-friendly interface, multiple plan, expert assistance with import capabilities with accurate guarantee. And talking about the pros and cons, so starting with the pros, it is very user-friendly, even for first-time filers, and also thorough step-by-step guides that maximize mistakes, and also access to live tax experts for additional support, and also excellent data import features that save times and refunding tracking and e-filing option available. And here the downside about this platform, which is paid plans can be expensive, especially for complex returns. Upselling of additional service can be intrusive. No ideas for very complex tax situation that may need a professional, and limited features on the free version. And here the final verdict about this platform: Turbo is a reliable and efficient tax software for most individuals and small businesses. Its intuitive interface and support options make it top choice for users seeking a DIY approach to tax filing. However, it may not be the most cost-effective option for those with simple tax needed.